How to make better videos in 5 easy steps. Do you feel like you aren't good at making videos? Well, in this video, I'm going over 5 tips to immediately uplevel your videos. Whether you are making videos for work, for a job application, or for content in your brand or business, it doesn't matter. Better video quality means you go to the next step of the job application. You grow in your current job and open up new opportunities or attract dream clients to your online offer because of your amazing videos. First things first, can we just hold some space for you to be a beginner? Allow yourself to not be good at videos. Celebrate showing up, celebrate wanting to improve. Good job. All right, tip number 1, have an outline. No more rambling on with no direction. Research and then sit down and outline. Whether you do bullet points or script each word, outline your video. And it will actually save you time because you won't have to keep starting over and over and you'll just get it right. Number 2, practice. My creation process is a bit unique as I take my phone with an outline and I practice for a PowerPoint presentation, a webinar, and I walk while I practice. It's the best when I run into a neighbor and I'm like, hello everyone, it's Nancy Taylor. Number 3 tip, be yourself. I know it sounds cliche, but hear me out. When the camera goes on, all of a sudden it's deer in the headlights or a robot, and it's so boring. People will lose interest and they will click away, except for your mom. She will probably watch the whole thing and she'll stay to the end and say you did amazing. Thanks, Mom. Okay, that was dumb. Look at the lens, then look away. Engage with your body, your facial expressions, move your hands, but not too much. I like to have a desk to rest my hands on because sometimes I don't know what to do with them. So there's a pro tip for you. Number 4, setup. Lights, audio, camera. Audio is actually more important than your video. I have a video on how to set up your video and I'll leave it linked below, so that would be helpful. The gist of it is don't have light from behind you and a shaky video with your phone. It looks terrible and people are not impressed, they'll click away. Also don't have any background noise. Number 5 and our final tip is variety. Add some B-roll, that's video that goes over the top, a change in angle, a change in outfit, a change in location, a change in, not too much change, just a sprinkle. Notice I didn't do any change in there. I personally like simply edited videos that are clean, but with not too much going on. It is nice though to have a little bit of variety. Now pick one of these to start working on to improve. You won't master it all at once. Just like learning a new skill, you're bad at it, you practice and you improve. It's okay to be bad at it. Just keep showing up. All right, bye.